Welcome to another Nexla Feature Spotlight video. Today we're covering how Nexla makes branching data flows and data sets simple, clear, and no code in just a few clicks. Users can quickly build flows with different slices of data and different transformations, then clearly visualize the paths to many different destinations. Let's see what it looks like in the platform with a quick demo. Now that I'm in the platform, all I have to do is add a data source, and Nexla will automatically generate a next set data product so you don't have to worry about formatting, metadata, or anything else. I've already done that here, and from here, I can now apply any transformations and create as many different child data sets as I want. For example, I have a set of customer sample data, and I can quickly create several child data sets by filtering for specific regions. So I'm going to take this data set and create 3 child data sets with New York, California, and Washington customers only in each of the data sets. All I have to do is enter the transform builder, click on state, and for each of the data sets, add a filter for state to match each of those states that I mentioned. I'm also going to pass maybe first name, gender, ID, and last name. And it's super easy to add any transformations here. For example, maybe I'll apply a hashing transformation to the email address so we don't reveal that sensitive personal information about the customer. When I click save and close, this new data set will be created, and now I can go in and name this customer data California. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for New York and Washington. So now we can easily see the 3 datasets created from the master list. You can further transform these datasets for even more branches or send them to any and all the destinations you need for each region. For each dataset, you can create as many branches as you need by just adding more destinations. Let's say for each region, I want the data to land in my partner's FTP server for that respective region, but I also want to store a copy locally on my FTP server for a record of what I've shared with each partner. Doing that is as easy as clicking send to destination and then clearly seeing the flow viewer where each dataset is going. So I can go into the destination and choose FTP. Let's say this FTP credential I already have saved is for my partner. I'll click on that, select where I want the data to land, and click save. I can even rename that to California. Then I can click send to destination again on the same data set and choose any destination I also need that same data set branch to. So as I mentioned, maybe we have a different FTP server, which is super easy to add if you just put your information in. But since I have it saved, I'll just click on that. And maybe this is my local FTP server that I want an exact copy of any data I share with my partner to be backed up on. So we can see here that branch is instantly created. Super easy to visualize California, going to the California partner as well as my own server. And we can do the same thing with each of these 2 other slices of the data. So now, in just minutes, each of the 3 data sets I created has their own 2 branches for a total of 6 destinations that are really easily visualized in the Nexla platform. You can do this for an infinite amount of data sets and branches, and as you saw, all it takes is a few minutes to do that. Being able to quickly branch data flows and then see them in a clear and functional UI makes data operations faster, safer, and clearer. Branching data flows works exactly the same for any source, destination, and transform along the way to fit your exact needs. Check out another demo to learn more, or head to our website to request a free trial to try it out yourself. That's all from us in this video. See you next time.